In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If you need to label a document as confidential, draft, or simply brand it with a logo, adding a watermark in Acrobat Standard or Pro is quick and reliable. Start by opening the PDF you want to watermark in Adobe Acrobat. With the file open, look to the right-hand pane and choose Edit PDF. This reveals the editing toolbar across the top. In that toolbar, click Watermark, then select Add. This opens the Add Watermark dialog, where you'll set everything up before applying it to the file. At the top, pick your watermark source. Choose text if you want to type something like confidential or draft and customize its look. Choose file if you want to use an image, such as a JPEG, PDF, or BMP, great for a company logo or stamp. Acrobat will place the text or image on each page according to the settings you choose next. In the Appearance section, fine-tune how your watermark looks. Adjust the opacity to control transparency so your content stays readable. A semi-transparent watermark often works best. You can rotate the watermark to run diagonally, change the font and size for visibility, and pick a color that stands out without overwhelming the page. Take a moment to preview and tweak these options until the watermark complements your document rather than blocking it. Next, set the position. You can center the watermark, align it to a corner, or place it diagonally across the page. Positioning can help balance visibility and subtlety. Centered or diagonal is common for protective marks, while a small top right placement can be more discreet. If you don't want the watermark everywhere, specify a page range so it appears only where needed, such as the first page, a section of pages, or all except the cover. This is especially useful for mixed content PDFs. Once you're happy with the source, appearance, position, and page range, click OK to apply the watermark. Finally, save the PDF. The watermark becomes part of the file, so anyone who opens it will see it exactly as you set it. If maintaining an original unwatermarked copy matters, keep that version stored separately. This simple workflow works the same way for both text and image watermarks, and it scales well for single-page and long documents. That's all there is to it. You've added a clear, professional watermark using Adobe Acrobat, giving your PDF the right balance of protection and readability.